Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open the Google Pay app and sign in with your Google account. Ensure you use the same account tied to your phone number. Tap Payment Methods on the bottom of the screen to manage funding sources. Choose Add Bank Account and select Bank Verification by account number. Enter your bank routing number and your checking account number carefully. Confirm identity using the 1 to 2-digit SMS code or a micro deposit verification. Select your bank from the list or choose manual entry to add details. Enter your bank routing number and your checking account number in the secure form. Choose instant verification if available or select microdeposits verification instead. Microdeposits send small amounts such as /bin/sh 05 to your account for confirmation. Check your bank statement for those amounts within 1 to 3 business days. Return to Google Pay and enter the exact micro deposit amount shown to send money. Tap Send or Request and pick a contact or enter a phone number. Enter the amount and choose your linked bank account as the funding source. For direct transfers, pick Send to Bank Transfer and enter the recipient account number. Review fees and expected delivery times before confirming the transfer. Enable fingerprint or PIN authentication for faster and safer payments on your device. Regularly review recent transactions and update account details if you change banks.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.